This is the back side of the machine, okay, and you have to remove these 4 nuts from here, okay. After that, just tap in there like this. It will come out, okay sir. After that you will see this part, okay. You need to remove the 2 nuts from here, okay sir. One nut is here, one nut is here, another one, and after there is another one in the corner, okay. So 4 nuts basically, okay. After removing the 4 nuts, it will be like this, okay sir. Just take a picture of this part, okay, and remember the connection, sir. Just take a picture. Then after when you take the picture, when you get the new PCB, just plug in the wire exactly same, okay. And if you need any help, just call us. And sir, this side, when you the powering cable, up there is a fuse, okay. Take out the fuse like this, okay. Just clip it on the back. It will come out, okay, sir. Yeah, like this it will be coming out, okay sir. What you need to do is take it out like this, okay, on your hand. You have to see one thing, sir. See the white part, it's hazy. That means this is gone. This fuse is not right. The right one will be clear, okay sir. Clear, you can see there will be a wire in it. Inside there will be wire, okay. One wire inside will be there. So you just check the fuse, and if the wire you cannot see, just go to any electronic shop, purchase it. It's 10 rupees, might be less, okay sir. Just take this sample and buy it and change the fuse exactly same way, okay sir. I show you how to put it back. Yeah, just clip it on it, push it down, okay. And now how to connect it back is this. Yeah, just put it and then press it. It will go down and it will get locked, okay. This is the thing. The more 2 important things is, sir, to remember the wires, okay sir. Just take a picture of it, okay. Okay, thank you sir. Let me know if you need any help, okay sir. Feel free, okay, to call me.